introduced to us couple of months ago. So some of my friends and kasama sa grupo have tried it. So it was introduced initially with Brad Reyes, tines niya, and he find it very, very good. So yung acceleration, nabawasan yung delay. So I decided na having that e-drive. The problem is, may delay talaga yung acceleration for the MG ZS that I'm currently using. So based on experience and feedback ng mga kasama ko na nagpakabit na rin ng Quartz Engineering na e-drive, talagang very responsive. So in terms of acceleration, talagang maganda, very responsive. Absolutely. I will highly recommend Quartz Engineering e-drive. Why? Because it helps you in terms of acceleration, reduces the delay